Hi, and welcome to this video demonstration of BP Ventures' white label, self-custodial retail wallet built on the Stellar blockchain. In this video, I'll guide you through the wallet's powerful features and functionalities, including sending and receiving digital assets, adding fiat funds and converting them into digital assets, using your digital assets on your prepaid Visa card, buying gift cards, making bill payments, and purchasing mobile top-ups in 170 countries. We'll also explore how this wallet can be customized with your logo and branding colors to meet your business needs. Let's get started. Signing up for our retail wallet is quick and user-friendly, thanks to Stellar's SEP30 standard. Here's how it works. No more long passphrases or complex keys. Users simply sign in with email or social logins like Google and Apple. A streamlined onboarding flow gets new customers into the wallet faster, boosting engagement for your business. Lost key? SEP30 provides secure key recovery, delivering a smooth user experience while keeping security tight. The wallet ships in 7 languages by default, and we can add more on request to match your audience's needs. Here's how users can add funds to the wallet. The wallet integrates with multiple Stellar anchors, trusted partners that convert fiat into digital assets. A user can send an ACH or SEPA transfer to an anchor like Bridge.xyz or OwlPay, or deposit USD in cash at any MoneyGram branch. The anchor then credits the wallet with the equivalent digital asset, USDC, EURC, and more. Currently, the wallet supports Stellar anchors such as MoneyGram, which support global cash in, cash out at more than 440,000 locations in nearly 200 countries. Stellar gift card, bill pay, and mobile top-ups. Instant crypto exchange. PayPal PYUSD. Crossbridge, which allows users to buy stablecoins via bank transfer. If your business operates in a region that isn't yet covered, we can integrate additional anchors on request. Next, let's look at how users can send digital assets to others. The process is simple and intuitive. Navigate to the Send section in the wallet interface. Enter the recipient's address or account details. Specify the amount and confirm the transaction. This feature allows seamless transfers of digital assets globally within seconds. The wallet includes 2 powerful tools for swapping digital assets. 1. Instant crypto exchange, ICE. ICE enables users to convert one digital asset into another, for example, swapping USDC for USDT, at competitive rates across multiple blockchains. 2. SuperSwap, Stellar DEX. SuperSwap leverages Stellar's distributed exchange, DEX, to find the best price possible for asset conversions. Users have 3 options when swapping. Standard prioritizes speed with moderate pricing. Competitive balances price and liquidity availability. Aggressive targets highly competitive pricing by exploiting liquidity disparities on the DEX between different assets. These tools ensure flexibility and cost efficiency when managing digital assets within the wallet. As you've seen throughout this demo, BP Ventures' white label self-custodial wallet is a robust tool designed for businesses like yours. It can be fully customized with your logo, branding, and specific features tailored to meet your customers' needs. Thank you for watching this demonstration. If you have any questions or want to see a live demo of the wallet in action, feel free to reach out to BP Ventures today at support@bpventures.us. We'd love to help you bring this powerful solution to your customers.